What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can buy stocks or shares on the Lusaka Securities Exchange. So in layman's terms, I'm going to show you on how you can invest money on the Lusaka Securities Exchange. So I'm going to run you through step by step. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. So with that being said, if that sounds interesting, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my LuSE app. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So first things first, before we can get straight to buying shares, you need to make sure that you've got money in your LuSE wallet. So I'm going to run you quickly on how you can deposit some money in your LuSE wallet. So on your top right, you click on where it's saying wallet. So as you can see, deposit or withdraw. So what we want to do is add cash. So we click on deposit. And then currently LuSE only has a partnership with MTN, so you can only deposit money on the LuSE mobile application using MTN. So I'll click on MTN. So as you can see there is amount. So let's say I want to deposit a 2000. So I'm going to enter 2000 kwacha, which is approximately 114 US dollars. So I make the conversion from kwacha to dollar to give our international viewers an idea of how much 2000 kwacha is equivalent to, because dollar is a common currency known by many countries. So after you've entered your amount, you need to enter your MTN number where the money is going to be withdrawn from. So for an example, let's say MTN number is 096. So this is just an example. So after you've confirmed that your MTN number is correct and the amount is also okay, then all you do is simply click on confirm. In less than 5 minutes, they have to update that you've deposited the 2000. So after all that is done, where you go now is you click on where it's saying market. So I'll have to recommend that before you buy any shares from any company, you need to conduct your own research to make sure that the company you're investing your money in is okay. So let's say for an example, you want to buy shares on ShopRite. So I'll click on ShopRite. So you can read a brief description of what ShopRite is about. And then there on top is an overview of the company I'm about to buy some shares from. So if you're okay with all of that, all you do is click on where it's saying buy. And then you're going to be brought to this display. So what it's showing you here is the unit price, meaning one share of ShopRite, is 64 kwacha, which is approximately 3 US dollars. So on top there, you can enter the number of shares that you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy 30 shares. That's a breakdown. So it's showing you how much money is going to cost you to buy 30 shares. So it's going to cost you 1948.80 kwacha. So the broker fee is 19.2 kwacha. The LuSE fee is 7.20 kwacha. And then the SEC fee, which is Security Exchange Commission fee, is 2.4 kwacha. So if you're okay with all that, all you simply do now is click on where it's saying buy stock. And then it will bring you to this display where it's saying, are you sure you want to place this order? So if you're okay with everything, you've made sure that the broker you're using is correct, then you can go ahead and click on confirm and you would have successfully purchased yourself some shares. In short, by you purchasing this stock entitles you to become a shareholder of ShopRite. So you own a piece of ShopRite. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned one or two things on how to buy shares on the Lusaka Securities Exchange, I'll be really glad if you give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.